Okay guys, anyway, I'm eating some Monster Munch. Welcome back to Mr. Craft, but I'm Phoenix Place Cool Kid. I'll show you our paper airplanes. Isn't it, guys? Look at that. Oh, you know, ow. Hey, this is some other. I don't know what that is. This is my brother. That's Mr. Craft. My other one will be showing. Don't know what that is. This one will definitely be showing, and this one. And we could do some cargo. You know, like when they fly out. It's gonna be cool, isn't it? Okay. Guys, should we get in a video? Let's do some paper airplanes. Go. Hey guys, I'm gonna watch this. So it's just hard to get a good angle. Go. Woo. Maybe a triple, guys. Look at that. Bloody hell, that's using the GoPro, by the way. Oh, there it is. That's funny, isn't it, guys? Have a bit of more monsters.
I know.
We'll get back. This is what Monster Munches look like if you don't know, guys. If you want to see,
this is weird.
This is all Mr. Craft Lego creations. You look like a Minecraft sheep or something, guys.
It's a dog, but it's
like a drug sheep or something. This is his front. Yeah, it's dark out. What side to go? Wouldn't expect you to be in it. Oh, I might go out. And hey, Mister, where's the paper airplane?
I thought it was enough.
You can wait there in town. I'll come back when we have the plane. It's gonna throw the plane. Woo! Oh! Did you see that? It's epic, guys. Okay, attempt 2. Woo!
I landed in the bin!
Oh my god, guys! Look at that, bro! Oh, sorry, I just held the camera up. If we can get a view in that bin, though. See that bit of paper? That's our paper aeroplane! OMG, guys! Have money! You just get money on the screen. If you subscribe, we'll give you 20p, mate. And if you like the video. But we could. But only if you subscribe and stay for a year. Only if you stay for a year and subscribe.
Then you get all the money. Or the whole house.
We're going to go into a different room. Okay, we want to announce a trick. I want to show you some rubbish. Right, boys.
A 2, a 1. Go! Okay.
Yo, I'm just kidding.
3, 2, 1. Ooh! 3, 2, and 1. Go!
I see your results.
That there. That's number 2. That's number
1. I'll put that back there.
Now we're going to see some more. We're going to keep them there on the floor.
Guys, do you want to get a better view? I'll take you up there.
You still want to know? Don't touch them! Let's still do them.
I'm just going to hit the lines.
Okay. You're going to use this one I made. Not too good. Let's see it. I'll do it from here. 3.
It's going to go into the camera.
1.
Oh, I didn't go in the camera.
Okay, they leave it back. Okay, try again.
That one in the camera.
Okay, sorry guys. Justin
Bieber did it. Not a good thing.
3, 2, and 1.
Guys, you try something else. Cargo.
Let's put it back.
I put this, the cargo.
Okay. You can't see it though.
Well, this is a flying cargo, guys. See?
Now, we're going to switch.
Epic Ranger.
Woo! Now, what we're going to do is switch. Just go to the thing.
Guys, he doesn't know how to do that.
I do. So,
How does he do that one? Guys, you know how to do that. Also, it's a bit too dark, guys.
Now, we're going to switch to this. A camera. This camera. Oh.
You want to use my phone now? Show you a bit more. For my games. Just admiring. Bit too many paper aeroplanes, isn't it, guys? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this paper.
No, you're calling me.
Look at this paper.
I'm going to execute it.
Yeah, we're watching a bit Saw. No, we're not. Just kidding. Ow! Airplanes. Okay, we'll show you. Guys, Guys, tell me in the comments if this is a dab. That's crazy. Yeah. Okay, we'll show you how to build a paper airplane. Just get any paper you want.
Yeah.
I recommend plain paper. No, I mean small piece of paper.
Sorry. You can use this.
Yeah, but that's pretty. We're not using it.
We'll send it out. If you get 10 subscribers, and when it says I subscribe, you can get this book.
Well, we need to check if you subscribe. I need proof.
It has instructions. Look.
But you're not getting it.
No, you can. You can if you subscribe.
Yeah, but then we don't know where they live.
And if you use nice comments, if you do bad comments, then fuck off. If you do bad comments.
That's a cheeky boy. He should be swearing, should he? Anyways.
No, if you do.
Okay, actually, sorry guys. We've already pooped it up.
Okay. That's what we should end this video.
No, we're not.
Okay, just kidding. Oh. Bluetooth it back to my tablet.
Switch the cameras.
We've already done it.
No, we just did it now, guys.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Back to the tablet. It may be shit quality. Oh, sorry, guys.
It's actually very good quality. See you, guys.
If you see in the same section, if you see from the school photo, you'll see the
That's not his school. That's just someone else's school, innit?
Yeah.
It's not
And
his.
the face was blurred. I didn't blur them. The camera was a bit bad quality, so he just had that. I'm tall.
No, he's not. He's just tiny. Just on his ladder.
Ah!
No, it sounds like a little Ali Akbar, doesn't it?
Help!
No, just go to hell, Ali Akbar.
Please!
Okay, guys. So you want one uneven so you can get a turn. Oh my god.
I fell off.
This is getting hard, isn't it? Guys, I think I'll put some music in.
Back on.
Well, I think the other video's going to be music. Anyway. Okay, guys, you want this?
Ow!
I made it. I kissed the girl. I hate it. Okay, guys.
The girl.
No, I never. Okay, guys, we're not, scrap that. Scrap that, guys. We're not going to make a paper airplane. I'll show you how to make something else. Okay, if you want to make a paper house or junk, do that.
I'm going to plug it into
paper.
my headphones. Listen to music.
He's listening to some rubbish music. Do a dab. Do a dab.
Oh, the headphone.
Oh, he's stealing. Oh, he's stealing.
Oh, he's stealing. He's stealing. I don't see you out in the shop when someone picks up something. Oh, he's stealing. He's stealing.
Don't do that, guys. That's actually a bad one.
Right now, I'm going to make... You may have seen these on YouTube. Oh, I need to get scissors.
Okay, guys, we're going to do a Super S. I've just made like a screen. Hey, look, you see like I made like a little screen. I'm going to do a super S. Okay, so I'm just drawing it. I can hear Gizzy. He's just speaking to Gizzy, if you know that YouTuber. Dan! Dan! Hi, Dan! Okay, guys, Dan's here. Dan TDM's here.
Okay.
Okay, guys, here's the Super S. Guys, we're gonna draw a person. Okay, let's get. Okay, guys, we're gonna give you a tutorial how to draw a cube. I even remember. Okay. So, guys, we're gonna give you a tutorial.